everyone! In today's video, we're going to look at how to use WeVideo. WeVideo is an online application that allows you to edit with your peers all at the same time. In this video, we're going to look over some of the basics and we're going to learn how to use it in just 5 minutes. Let's get started! You're ready to start a brand new project. Click on the Add button at the bottom of the screen. Type in the title that you desire and then decide if it's a personal project, collaborative, or shared project. Let's call this video PD at DSC. If you choose to use collaborative, you can share your assignment with multiple people and work on it together. If you just share the assignment, you will only have access to the media. This project is going to be collaborative. When you're ready, click Next, and then you can select members from your group, or you can invite them with a link. And you can also add all the media that you would like to share with your peers. Once you're ready, you'll be redirected to this page. All your media will be uploaded into your library. If you want to import more media or more videos, you can click on the Import button. You can simply drag all the files you want into this section or click on Browse to select and look through your computer. So we'll look at how to trim a video. Drag the file down to your storyboard. Simply drag the ends of the video and you can trim your video. On the top here, there are different functions that you can play with. Stock media has different types of stock videos and stock audio for you to choose from. This is great for documentaries. All you need to do is click on the search button and type in what you want to find. You will find copyright-free material for you and your class to use. Drag what you want into your storyboard and it will be part of your video. Next, we will look at text. In the text column, there are 4 different types of title cards you can pick from. This just indicates how they move and how they will show up. I'm just going to pick the basic text and drag it to the storyboard, insert and push all my videos forward so nothing gets edited out. And then by clicking on this button, I can edit the video in any way I want. In this part, I'm going to write down what I want to say. I'm going to just type Hong Kong. You can change the font, make it bold, italicize it, underline, change the color font, and so on. If you want to add subtitles or have a title card on top of your video, all you need to do is drag your videos below the title and it will appear on top of your video, as you can see in the example right now. Next, we will look at the audio function. The audio section has different types of music and sound effects that you can choose from, and they are separated into different folders. If you find a music that you like, all you need to do is just drag the song to the audio section of the storyboard, and it will be attached to your video. Let's say you didn't like any of the songs in this program. You can upload your own copyright-free material by clicking on the Import button. Next, we will look at transitions. Drag the transition you like and drag it into your storyboard. Place it between 2 videos and it will help you transition from one video to another. Next, we'll talk about backgrounds. Backgrounds allows you to input any background you want as long as you have a green screen or a solid color behind you. In the overlay section and frames, you can add special effects to enhance your video. You move over this rectangle, a new toolbar will pop up. This pencil will allow you to edit your video. You can rotate your video, you can zoom in, change the position. The second option will allow you to crop your video. By dragging this button around, you can horizontally crop your video, and the one below will allow you to vertically crop your video. The next one will play with your audio. You can mute all your video by clicking this button, or you can adjust the volume of it. You can also make the audio fade in and fade out once again by dragging the dots. Next, you can zoom in and zoom out of your video by dragging the dot. And in the next button, you can change the brightness, the color, the lighting. You can also change the coloring key so you can omit one of the colors, and then this will also help you with adding a background to your video. Finally, the last button allows you to adjust the speed so you can make things go fast, or you can make things go in slow motion. To show you a little bit of the backgrounds function, I'm going to show you this clip. I'm going to drag it down to my storyboard. I'm just going to mute the audio so it's not too noisy. And then I'm going to go to the edit button by clicking on the pencil. I'm going to select a color that I want to get rid of. So I'm just going to click on the water section, and now all of that is deleted off of the screen. And then I'm going to go back to the background section and pick one of these backgrounds that is already pre-made and drag it to the second video or second storyboard. And then I'm going to drag the video to make it longer and make it as long as this video at the top. So let's take a look at what we have created. Once you're done, click on the Finish button, give your video a title, and then select which resolution you'll like, and then you can also decide which destination you would like to publish this in. And then you can export the file and it will be automatically saved to your Google Drive.